Hello everyone. Welcome back with the final puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. Because today we have no newspaper on Sunday, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the additional of yesterday's newspaper. And the last of the final puzzle is a tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 3012. 3012. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 3, 15 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but I think for 1 star, the time limit is to be faster than 15 minutes. All right. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? The single boxes contains the number 1. I see here a single box. It's already filled in, the 1. Here also a single box should be also a 1. Then the following question, dual boxes. Can we see here the dual box? I see here the dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Yes, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. Here also a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Here also dual box, the 1 and 2. Okay. Let me mark those. Then triple boxes. Can you see here the triple box? I see here the triple box. It contains the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right, more triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or constructions, structures, you name it. All right, and the first shape is this kind of shape. Okay. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. How about this shape? Yeah. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more? No. How about the Z construction? The Z construction. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So it must be a 1 or 2. And that box has the same number as this box. So this box is the same number as that box. All right. More C construction or shape. No. Do we have more? Let me scan. No, those are the figures that you need to know, to recognize. Yes. There are more than 3 figures or shapes. But in this puzzle, we have 3. All right, so the following strategy is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. We have a 1 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Okay, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think, these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box shouldn't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 in this box, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So, this is not the solution to place the 2 here. The 2 should be here. Alright. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 number left in this W area shape for the number 5. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2 or a 1. 2 cannot be a 2, because I have a double 2 there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box should be a 1. Yeah. Well. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. And I have 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right. 2 and the 3 are missing in this area. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Well. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. That means this box is connected with that box, should be the 1 and the 3. Okay, so this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 and a 1 here. 3 and a 1. So the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, but we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 3 and not a 4. And this should be a 1. Yes. 3 and a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And 1 box left in this area for the number 3. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1, 5. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. I have a double 4 here, and cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and a 3. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 4. We see here the 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. and that box should be a 2. Almost finished. 2, the 3 is missing, the 1, the 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Wow. 30 seconds longer than I've yeah, well, yes, definitely a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Sunday, fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. See you then. Bye bye for now.